Hello guys, Shafkat here. Welcome to my channel, and the setup I will be showing you today is the setup that's on your screen. And if you are new here, please do sub, and if you have already subscribed, welcome back. So the apps that you will need for this setup are and that's all. So first of all, we will apply the wallpaper. So this is the wallpaper, and the link will be in the description. You can download the wallpaper from the link in the description. Now that we have applied the wallpaper, we'll keep the settings of the Nova launcher. So first of all, we'll go to settings, we'll go to the home screen, then we'll keep the desktop grid size to 10:12, and this will be the proportion for your desktop grid. Press done, and after that the icon layout will be 110%, and the dock will be off. For the setup I have kept it off. That's all from home screen. Now we'll go to the look and feel. From here we will change the icon style and theme. From here we will apply the icon theme, that is UX LED, and we will apply it here, and after that we'll go back to the desktop. So from here we will just add the widget from the KWGT, and you can search here from KWGT, and after that we will apply, and then we will resize it according to our preference, and then we will go to the KWGT, and you can see here there is the empty one, and to that you can see here the empty one, and then search for the 88. You can see here the minimal 088 is here, and you can press this one and it will show you like this. And after that you have to go to the overlap group here, and after that you can see here go to the upper group, and you can see here the rectangle, and then go to the paint, go to the color, and select the neon teal type color that your wallpaper contains, and you can see here, and then press copy and press OK. And now that we have selected, then we will go to the FX, and after that we will keep the shadow to outer, and after that we'll just keep distance 0, direction 0, and after that blur will be 80, and change the shadow to this color, and then press OK. And after that then go back to here, and after that go to the stake, and you can see here go to the first, and then go to the paint and change the color. That's it. And then if you want to keep the neon effect to the letter 2, you can keep the same setting that you kept on the rectangular, and after you have kept it, go back and then go to the decimal, and then go to the FX and press the shadow, and then now we'll go back to the group, and in the rectangle we will go to the rectangle, and FX will keep the texture to the radical gradient, and after that we'll change the color from here to something orange type, and then press OK, and you can see here. And after that do your settings how you want to keep it, and I will just keep the offset a little closer to the edges, and press save. And after that I will go to the home, and now that we have kept the widget how we wanted, we'll now align the icon. And then you will just hold your folder and press edit, and after that you will swipe to open folder. What this setting does, it will just be one icon. If you press the icon, it will open the app, and if you slide a little bit on the icon, you can see here the folder. align your widget, and after that you can see here the icons are touching at the edge of the wallpaper. You can see here the teal, and it just gives a nice feel to the wallpaper itself. So that's all for today, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to say something, say in the comment section, and do like the video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.